Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to set iOS 26 style 3D motion wallpapers on your any Samsung Galaxy One UI 7 device. So let's begin. So guys, first you have to download this app. This app download link available in description. After download, simply open this app, and guys, you can see in this app many 4K wallpapers with categories. Trust me guys, this is 4K wallpapers. Tap and select any wallpaper. And simply set. Set home screen and lock screen. And guys, you can see 3D motion wallpapers on your Samsung One UI 7 device. And guys, you use these 3D motion wallpapers on any Samsung device, no matter A series or S series. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.